morning, guys. So today is the day we're headed to America's Tire to put the 295 Michelin PS4s on the Hellcat. I'm going to America's Tire because my roommate actually has a Scat Pack and she just got her tires changed there, had a really good experience, so we are headed there. Also, I have a guest with me today. He's helping me out with the transfer of the tires and he's bringing the insight because I can only fit 3 of these tires in the back of the Hellcat and he's got the 4th one. Okay, so here's what's going on in the back seat. We got 2 back here and then 1 in the trunk. And look who's helping me today! We got 1 more tire in the back of the inside. Thanks, Rob! So guys, the power steering went out on my 2016 Hellcat. Has that happened to any of you guys? This car only has 6,800 miles on it. I know it can be like random, but it's just weird. I know it's not a common issue. I looked it up and only like maybe 2 or 3 people posted about it on Hellcat forum. So let me know in the comments if this is happening to you and like what's going on. So just a quick friendly reminder that I now do social media for a living. So if you are a doctor, active military, veteran, first responder, stick around for the next 30 seconds because this can really benefit you. So the sponsor of today's video, guys, is Armed Forces Mobile. This awesome company provides phone service for the heroes of our country. $45 a month, unlimited everything, as long as you fit the description of active duty military, veteran, first responder, or even doctor. Just go to myafmobile.com. And check this out, guys. There are no contracts with Armed Forces Mobile. So if you're a hero of our country, you deserve $45 a month phone service. Please take advantage of this. I'm currently paying at least twice that, and I'm on a family plan. Again, go to myafmobile.com. I will list the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching the ad, and now back to the video. Okay, so somehow we got the car here in one piece, even though there is no power steering. I let them know of the issue and they said it's going to be no problem, so they're super helpful so far.
Here we go.
Already bored.
That's right.
Yay! Wow, guys! Wow! Oh, it's so nice! It's so beautiful. Holy crap, guys. Massive difference. Oh, so nice. Look at that stance. Yes. Oh. Okay, so because the car isn't accurately drivable right now since the power steering is completely out and everything is manual, I'm gonna cut this video short for you guys. And sadly, the very next service appointment at my local Dodge dealer isn't until June 4th, so I'll do another video with a GoPro in the car so I can record my reaction on how the new tires feel and perform compared to how I'm used to driving on the P0s. In the meantime, let's hear what Rob thinks about these new beauties on the Hellcat. Swoop! Okay. What is happening?
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm honored that Erica has invited me onto the video because I have so much to say about her tires. I am a huge fan and a huge believer of Michelin's products. These are phenomenal compared to the P0s that are on my Diablo. I wish that I could put the PS4s on my other cars. Thankfully, they are available on some of them, but not, like I said, on the Diablo. In this case, Erica has about 20 millimeters of extra tread on each tire, so that's just about 4 inches of extra width of tread on this entire car, and on something that is this heavy and commonly referred to as a boat, that certainly can't hurt.
Okay, wait, so you said that you have the PS4s already on one of your cars?
I do, I just haven't unveiled it yet, but the PS4s are on the 4-rotor, and that's what it's going to be doing most of its street driving with. Because that car is meant to be a turbo Lamborghini killer, you know, it's got to have the right type of tires. Of course, there's drag tires for drag, but these are phenomenal street tires, and that car will be using them greatly.
That's so awesome. So guys, thank you so much for watching today. Again, as always, please like, please comment, please subscribe, ask me something in the comments, let's chat, and I will see you in the next video.